back with another video. So if you haven't already, make sure you check out my video on how I installed a custom lace front wig. I just wanted to come to y'all with a quick update. So here is the hair, and I have to be honest, I had to take that shit out of my head because it was just too much. It was just doing way too much. Wait a minute, hold up, stay with me, lady. I don't want to say that people who use the stocking cap method is wrong, because I'm sure I did something. If you watched the tutorial or demo, then you know I had a few hiccups. I wanted to come back with a quick update on how I kind of corrected it. So pretty much I just got some Gorilla Snot only because it's tried and true with me. That's what I started off using. I know how to lay my regular synthetic wigs with it. And y'all, this is still super duper cute. I'm like, you know what, sometimes you gotta just stick with the basics. Stick with what you know, it's okay. The Ghost Bond glue, I'm not really here for it. I spent $23 on it, or because I bought it at my local beauty supply store. I'm gonna leave a link down below, and I'm gonna put it up on my eBay store. So if you want to sell it, if you want to buy it, I'll leave the link down below. I'm gonna be selling it for half off of whatever the fuck I spent for it, because I don't think it works for me. And then on top of that, it was just too, like, my skin was too taut. Like, I feel like it was just doing way too much as far as, like, on my skin. Like, when I took it off, I used some water and alcohol in a spray bottle and kind of just, you know, sprayed the hell out of my forehead for it to come off. But I also had, like, my skin was like this color. It was like a little light, and I prepped my skin. So I don't know what's going on with that. It just doesn't work well with me. With the Gorilla Snot, I know I'm going to be able to take this off. Maybe not tonight, but tomorrow, because I kind of got it on there. You can kind of tell I got a little residue right here, but it's okay, because I'm only going to work. But yeah, I just wanted to come to y'all real quickly and give you guys a quick update on how it's working out for me. I do think that the Gorilla Snot works better for me because I'm used to working with it. So maybe I can try to work with it again. But if you're about to try to get a lace front, or you're going to do your lace front yourself, I suggest work with the product that you're familiar with. It'll come out better, you know, and that's the bottom line. That's the whole point that I'm trying to make in this video. Sometimes it's okay to stick with what you know. Ghost Bond was not it for me. Again, I'm gonna leave the link down below. And real quickly, see, I could have cleaned this up over here. Put a little spit there, because it ain't nothing like that other glue. Trust and believe. Put a little spit there, I'll be fine. And you know, I think it came out cuter, actually, because I was about to go to work with it like, fuck it, I'm cute anyway, I'm gonna just rock out with it. But I was like, sis, no, we're not finna go out like that. So if you haven't already, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. What do you guys use other than the Ghost Bond glue? I don't even use Got To Be glue because it takes too long to dry. I feel like the Gorilla Snot, you know, you put on a layer, you blow dry for a quick second, you put on another, boom, you're in the game. So comment down below. Let me know what y'all use when your first time you install your custom lace wig or a lace unit or something like that. Not the synthetic stuff, because we all know that applies a little bit differently. But just let me know what y'all think. And again, don't forget to subscribe. I'll holla at y'all in the next video. Peace.
I finesse down Western Road. Might go down to G.O.D. I go hard on Southside G. I make sure that Northside heat. And still